It's been a long filming day, I must say, and I was about to wind up. Then I thought, why not film another video? The basket was ready, the makeup products were there, which I want to show you today, as well as the weather is really good. That is the key and the most important thing. The weather is good, my mood is good, and I was like, why not just quickly sit down and talk about these stunning products which you can later add in your wish list and be ready for your Black Friday sale. So without rambling too much and making this intro more longer, let's get started. So I've already done a video like this, the part 1, where I did talk about some stunning, well done base products into drugstore category. So do check out that video later after watching this one, because when you are building your wish list, why not take little bit from every segment or every category of makeup, like your base makeup, eye makeup, lip product. So today I'm going to be touching on the eye, the lips, and as well as I'm going to show you some random tools, not too many. I'm not going to confuse you or make you feel overwhelmed after watching this video, because when the sale happens, we tend to get a little overwhelmed by seeing so much of discount happening on every single brand. So be wise enough to pick what you're going to use, not just buy products because your friend has it or I have it. Buy a product which you see yourself using in future. First up, I'm going to show you 3 of the tools which I feel you can buy them separately, because I have personally bought them separately, singly, and I remember buying them in these Black Friday and Hot Pink sale only. I remember it because I could save a little bit here. First up, I have a brush from PAC Cosmetic. This is the PAC 252 flat kabuki brush. Do you call this kabuki brush? If I'm not wrong. So, but this is a flat foundation brush. I do use this brush a lot for my foundation application, though I'm buying another one by PAC. But if you want to start with a good foundation brush, a huge brush, if you have a huge face like mine, then this is the one to go for. For the price, you're definitely getting a good one. Like, there are many foundation brushes, girls, but I feel this is not very flexible kind of a brush which moves too much, because if the brush is moving too much, you see the brush streaks on the face and then you don't like it. This one is densely packed. It just spreads the product really well. You can pack the product and there you have your base. With this brush though, I don't have to go in with any kind of beauty blender to fix my patches, because this doesn't leave any brush marks or streaks. So if you're eyeing a good foundation brush, then this is the one which I feel, or I would highly recommend you to get it if you want to buy only one brush. Another brush from PAC Cosmetic which you can definitely get for yourself if you're a highlighter person and you want to have that nice perfect highlighter brush, then you have this PAC 131 brush. Again, a wonderful brush. It has a very nice flat and then this fluffy going on. So yes, you need a brush like this for your highlighter application. I highly recommend you to invest on a good highlighter brush. And the last brush I have is this Rene Cosmetic Contour R3 brush. Again, a well done brush. I must tell you, from the time I've got it, I'm been just using this one. Lately I've started using my Morphe brush as well, but in drugstore and easily available in India in a good pricing. This is the one to go for, because the Morphe one which I'm using is for 1100 on Nykaa. This one is, I think, less than 500, and I bought this for 380 or so in a good discount. So get this one. It is again very densely packed, well done brush, very smooth. It just blends your bronzer so seamlessly. So yes, these are the 3 tools I highly recommend. Frankly speaking, I don't have too many eye products to show you, because I feel a lot of eye products you end up getting under 550, 500, and full year there is some or the other small sale happening on these products. But there are certain products wherein you don't get those kind of discounts which you get in Black Friday. So I'm going to be catching up only on these products which do not get too much of a discount. So if I happen to miss on certain products which I absolutely love but I did not happen to show you here, think that it is in a very good MRP and then later you end up getting a discount whole year. So those products I'm technically missing out here, because you have to save money on products which are extremely expensive or just crosses the mark of 600 to 700 rupees. Talking about the next two products are from the brand Kiro. So Kiro has an eyeliner and a kajal. Get both. At least after watching my review, a lot of you happened to get the liner and you absolutely loved it, and even the kajal. So these are retailed at 850 or 900 rupees, nothing less than 850 they are. Liner is definitely 900 and this one I think it is for 875 or so. So if you want to have a stunning jet black liner and a smudge proof, transfer proof jet black kajal, then these are the ones to go for. Again, a well done product by Kiro. I highly recommend these two products. I have included them into my top 5 kajal and liner also. I recently did a video like that. So these are something which you should be looking out for. Now let's move on to some eyeshadow palettes. Now frankly speaking, before I end up showing you one, there are brands which you can definitely try. I have personally not bought any this year. If I happen to buy in future, will update you. Maybe even I will buy them in Black Friday only. Is the Makeup Revolution palettes. They have launched too many palettes, but I am eyeing 1 or 2 palettes by them, which even I will get it. So Makeup Revolution is one brand you can definitely check out for your eyeshadows. Then you can check out Milani. There is one palette which I'm eyeing from Milani, which again I'm waiting for a discount to happen. So Milani is one brand you can definitely check out for eyeshadows. And another brand which you can check out is Forever 21. Again, they have amazing eyeshadow palettes. So these are 3 brands offhand, the palettes which I don't have when I'm looking. So these are also in my wish list, so check out these brands for eyeshadow. Talking about practically what I have is the Manish Malhotra My Glam eyeshadow palette. This one you should definitely get it. Today also I'm wearing like part of this on my eyes. I'm wearing the 2 shimmers and 1 matte from this. So yes, this is one palette which you can get in a good discount. It is for 1850. I highly recommend you to try these palettes by My Glam. They are supremely pigmented. The mattes are amazing. The shimmers are amazing. They're definitely like high quality eyeshadow palettes in a drugstore category, but yes, they are expensive. So this is something which you can grab in Black Friday. Talking about another palette which you should be getting in Black Friday if you really want this one, or any one from out of 4 they have launched, is the K Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I think I suggested you this last year as well. So this is something, again I'm wearing 3 of the mattes from here in today's eye look. I've done too much to my eyes today just to achieve that nice amount of softness, a little smokiness. So I did a lot today. So this is the palette Pure Bloom, which I use a lot. You can see it for yourself. The condition of this palette is like it's all over the place. So this is one palette which I use the most. So again, here you're getting a high quality palette for 1200. So why not save a little extra, get up to 40% on these palettes. In like last hot pink sale, it was flat 40 for a day or 2. So if you get that 40% off, grab one for yourself. There is a Bare Soul palette also. Let me give you a little close up on this one as well. The My Glam palette, again I just love all the shades, like this golden, you see that golden, it's amazing. So again, something well done by My Glam and I highly recommend. Now before I jump on to some lipsticks, there's another eye product which I happen to miss in the basket. It just got mixed. Is the K Beauty eyeliner. Now earlier I never used to like it, reason being only the applicator was an issue, but nowadays I have been loving this liner. So I am also eyeing the shade. I will be buying the black one because a lot of my, I don't have too many liquid liners like this. I have only 2 and I think both of them are finished and only a little bit is left in the sugar one. So I will just wait for a little more time and let this Black Friday happen, and even I will grab one eyeliner for myself. So I'm eyeing the black one in this. It is again a wonderful eyeliner into drugstore. Yes, it is expensive. It is for 800 rupees. Yeah, and you get a lot of shades to choose from. So yes, something again onto my wish list as well. So do check out the K Beauty eyeliners. Now let's move on to some lipsticks. So I have a few odd formulas which I feel you should try to get it if you are into lipsticks and you want to put your hands on some expensive lipsticks which stay well on the lips. They are somewhat, I would not say that all of the formulas are all weather. You will know during the video what formula can go on well in which weather. But these formula are definitely formulas which you should be eyeing. They are super rich formulas, and you are getting something like this into drugstore category, then you should definitely try at least one shade from each. Talking about the first one is the K-Beauty matte lipsticks. This is my favorite shade, Cameo. I think ये खत्म हो जाएगी बहुत जल्दी, and I have to repurchase it. But this is one shade which you can get. Quickly swatch it for you. But I have recently swatched this lipstick into my current nude lipsticks video. So this is one of my favorite shades, and if you are into nudes but you want that warmer nude and a good rich formula, get this one. This lipstick really makes you feel more bougie, more rich and more luxe. It is for 999, so in Black Friday you can at least get 25% off. Why not get it? Next up we have a lipstick from again K-Beauty. Let's just get away with K-Beauty first. So we have these lip crayons, Lip Matte. Now last hot pink to nahi, I think some Nykaa's Pink Friday sale haul which happened in the month of May. I happened to grab these lipsticks that time because I could get these lipsticks for flat 40, and I have like now 5 to 6 shades because I could pick 4 that time. And yes, these are definitely again one of my favorite lipsticks to wear. Let me swatch this shade for you, Fraternity. Again, one of my favorite. You can see it's already inside because I've been wearing this lipstick a lot. Now this is not a lipstick to be worn in winters. If you feel super dry on the lips, they can dry out your lips more. But all in all, if you want to just wear the lipstick for the shade, then you're good to go. They don't transfer, they don't budge, and they are definitely super high quality lipsticks, but they are retailed for $7.99. These are the 2 shades, Melodrama and Fraternity. Again, lovely shades. Now I'm not talking about the shades here. You can pick whatever you like. I'm just focusing on the formula and the pricing. So formula wise, they are definitely worth buying and worth trying. So get these if you want to add more shades. Like I want to add one shade called Climax. So agar 40% off hua, to I will definitely grab that shade. Moving on in this video, next up we have our very own favorite formula. Now I have recommended this lipstick a lot of time, but I will still recommend it in this video as well, because since there are too many lipstick launches, you may not pay attention to this formula altogether now, because like you know, there are like 50 odd launches happened after this one, then you may just feel ab main kyun loon. But then you should get it. Like I can still buy 2 to 3 shades, and agar mujhe acha discount mila to I will definitely get it. And Black Friday May you get an offer of buy one get one also, wherein you can pick up 2 shades of your own choices. Here is the Color Bar Sinful Matte Lipsticks. Now I must tell you, these are one of the best lipstick launches by Color Bar itself, and I don't there is another lipstick which I'm going to show you in a minute by Color Bar, but this one is definitely up notch. So this is one of my favorite shades again, so I'm just going to show you quickly. This is the shade Sin, which I wear the most, and you see only this much lipstick is left. You can imagine how much I love these. I have like total 7 shades out of 24 they have launched. I am eyeing 3 more shades. On your recommendation only I will be getting those 3 shades, because those 3 shades are being recommended by you. So yes, another good formula. These lipsticks are for 1200 rupees, so why not save some money? Because I remember I picked up 2 shades, buy one get one, jisme ki already the lipstick was discounted and it was for 960, jisme ki I just paid like merely some money because I could use some points of mine Nykaa Pay. I got 2 lipsticks only merely for 380 or 400 rupees because of my points. अगर points नहीं भी होते तो I would have got 2 lipsticks for 960 rupees. So you're understanding how much you can save on these expensive lipsticks during Black Friday. Save some money for at least lipsticks if you love lipsticks. Talking about other two, not two, I would say these are 2 shades in my hand, but another formula which you should be eyeing, and now I feel they're very underrated lipsticks also. Nobody talks about them much, but I personally enjoy them a lot, are the Sugar Metal Matte Liquid Lipsticks. 2 of my favorite formulas to wear, 2 of my favorite shades to wear, sorry. So yes, the shades I'm holding is Bellatrix and Talitha. I've done a full swatch video, so do check out that swatch video. But these are also retailed at 1200, and in Black Friday you can save here at least up to 20%. So yes, check out this as well. Now we are down to very few lipsticks. Talking about the next one is the Calabar, what do you call them, kiss proof lipsticks. This is in the shade Desert Rose. Again, a lipstick formula which is very unique. I will tell you, it's very different. The point is, when you apply the lipstick, it's creamy and watery, like very creamy, and slides very easily on your lips, and you will feel, oh my god, what did I just buy? But just give like 30 seconds to 40 seconds settling time. It dries down to complete matte, but it's a very nice matte. It's not that super dry matte, the one I'm wearing as of now. So yes, again a formula which is very underrated into Calabar family, because Sinful got so much of attention that this came and like gone by type वाला scene था. So yes, अगर आपको अच्छी लिपस्टिक चाहिए जो स्मूथ हो लगाने में और थोड़ा सा एक वो हाइड्रेशन बना रहे, you can get this one. I really like wearing this in winters as well, and मास्क के अंदर भी पहन सकते हो, it doesn't transfer anywhere. Now we are down to 3 more lipsticks. So one I have is by Nykaa. Now again an underrated formula, underrated lipstick into Nykaa's family, but this one is like to go for. You should definitely try one shade. Is the Nykaa Luxe Matte Lipsticks. These are retailed for 799. यहाँ पे आप काफ़ी पैसे बचा सकते हो, और यहाँ पे आप 4 से 5 शेड्स ले सकते हो. ऑफ हैंड मैं बता दूँ, यू कैन टेक स्टेकेशन, यू कैन टेक अ ट्रफल, artisanal coffee, then there is athleisure. So these are 4 shade. Right at the back I can tell you, you can take it and they will complement you. So why should you be getting this one? If you really want to try this, the formula is rich. It is very rich. Some people say that no, it is very similar to Creamy Matte or So Matte. No, this is Staycation, the Nykaa Luxe Matte. I'm telling you, it's a very creamy, rich looking, lips filling lipstick. It's super hydrating, but it doesn't go here and there on the lips. It just sits well. Like if you don't want to buy a high-end lipstick but you still want to feel the high-end lipstick, then this is the one to go for. I am eyeing 2 more shades, so I will definitely get it. Now we are down to the last 2 lipsticks, and these are 2 by Kiro Beauty. So you know how much I have loved Kiro Beauty recently, and I ended up buying 1 more shade in the lipstick family because I was getting a good offer. So you should get Kiro Beauty, what do you say, airy matte liquid lipsticks. They're really good. That's like they are like next level liquid lipstick, I must tell you, into drugstore. They are super rich, well pigmented. They do not dry your lips, but they are expensive. They're for 875 rupees or 900. Nothing less than 800 you get in Kiro Beauty. So they're definitely more than 800. And you get some wonderful shades to choose from. So yes, if you haven't tried Kiro Beauty lipsticks, then do check it out. I've done a complete review as well. But if you just want a swatch, why not? Just give you one. So it's super creamy, buttery, it's highly pigmented. This is Kiro Beauty lipstick, and I must tell you, when it dries on the lips, it doesn't dry like this complete dry down matte. So again, for the price, you're getting an extremely well done lipstick. Now let's move on to the last thing and last lip product, which is a gloss, and it is again one of my favorites currently, is the Kiro Beauty lip butter, lip gloss. They don't call it as lip gloss, but they come into a packaging like this. They launched, I think, 10 to 15 shades, I don't remember, but I picked up 2. Again, they are also expensive, so if you happen to get these in a good discount, get it. A lot of you have a complaint that you want to have that nice stunning gloss, and no drugstore can fulfill it. This can definitely. I'll give you a live swatch of my lips because I'm eagerly waiting to put this on my lips. So a nice flat applicator, and I'll show you how much pigment it has. I'm topping it on a red lipstick. There you see the lip butter right on my lips in front of you. I applied it on my existing red lipstick. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this lip butter. Just give you that nice fuller lips and just fill in your lips. It is like very high shine and it's very much highly pigmented. You cannot tell that I was wearing a red lipstick before this. So yes, it is definitely worth purchasing if you are a gloss person who enjoys glosses and you want to have one from drugstore, or maybe just want to have that nice formula. Then this lip butter by Kiro is the one. Like, you should get one shade for yourself. This is the shade Pink Apple. I have a shade called Mahogany Mocha or something. That is also really rich and really nice, and I've been constantly wearing them. So there you have some more products being added to your wish list, but all of the products I happen to show you in the category of eye and lip, they are really high on quality and the formula is really up notch, but it's just that they are little highly priced, so you can save a lot in Nykaa's Black Friday as well as the forthcoming or the future sales as well, because Black Friday is not the last sale happens. After Black Friday a lot of different sales happen and मैं ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे खरीदती हूँ सामान. So till February you can actually buy a lot of products. So do save them in your wish list. Everything will be listed in my description if you want to check out anything, but I have reviewed all of the products separately on my channel. So if you want to know more about them, do check the reviews as well. I hope you loved watching this interesting one. We'll be here soon with the high-end makeup recommendation which you can grab from Nykaa. Look out for that video. For that you have to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.